this is Satnam here. We have recently launched a COVID task force to support our employees in this unprecedented situation. The major goal of this task force would be to assist and protect our employees who are currently facing this worst situation. I would like to introduce the team with you. Shreyasi is the campaign manager for the program. I have Ritika with me, who is the response coordinator, and I have Karanbir from the research analyst from the Habapati organization. Let us know from them. Shreyasi, thank you so much for the kind gesture coming forward and during these tough times. I would like to know from you, like, how are our employees in the Tri-City right now? How many calls do you get on day-to-day basis, and how are you tracking their health records?
Well, currently all of our employees who are in Tri-City are mostly safe. Yes, indeed, we are getting number of calls on a regular basis for the doorstep delivery of COVID kits and natural remedies. If I have to talk about the number, roughly I would say there are around 10 to 20 employees who contact us, and we call them back on a regular basis to check on their health status and provide them with the fastest support through COVID task force possible. Yeah.
Thank you, Shreyasi. Thank you for the valuable inputs. Going towards Ritika. Hi, Ritika. As a response coordinator, how are you currently managing the doorstep of the necessary deliverables for the employees? Can you just help us out here?
Coordinator of COVID Task Force, it's my responsibility to ensure that our workforce will have access to home deliveries of groceries, food items, medicines, or any essential commodities whenever they need in Tri-City. I usually coordinate with Rupendra to receive query-based natural remedies and medical assistance for our workforce. After all, she's an expert in medical supervision and knows better about remedies that are best for our employees.
Thank you, Ritika. To Karanbir. Karanbir, I would like to know from you, what are the natural remedies that you're suggesting to our employees to withstand this virus? What are the basic symptoms and what are the remedies that you suggest for us?
Of course, Satnam. It would be great if I could be any help to our workforce during these tough times. Well, I suggest you to go with natural remedies. They are herbs, and the herbs they are available at our home only, and we need not to go anywhere else to check. It is in our kitchen, and they can be easily used since we are using it in our day-to-day life, and they hardly cause any side effects. So first off, I believe you must all have noticed the use of turmeric at home. We use it in all meals, and the herb holds it is very effective, and it holds anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And it is best for common cold and fever. It is very common nowadays as well that people are going through common cold and slight fever. So always you can use turmeric and prepare it by using a pinch of black pepper in it. So always when you prepare anything from turmeric, either it's a milk or a leham, which we in usual way call halwa. So whatever you make of it, always make sure to add a pinch of black pepper to it. Then the next herb I would introduce is tulsi. So often people have a tulsi plant at their home. You can always make a tea out of it. It is named as an unparalleled herb in Ayurveda. It is so effective. So you can use it for digestive purposes. You can use it when you are feeling low or when you have a fever, cough, cold, anything. You can make a decoction, and which we call kada. You can use tulsi in that also. And other than that, you can use licorice. It is known as mulatti, and it is very useful in cases when we have cough. It also relieves phlegm during cough. So it is very effective. You just need to suck it, and it is not to be ingested as such. So it is a thick piece of wood, and you need not to ingest it. You just have to suck it for it, and it will provide you relief. The juice is very effective. And other than that, you can use raw ginger at home for digestion purposes. You can take a small piece after every meal for digestion. Just a small piece, raw ginger. It is very effective. You can always make a decoction of ginger. Like you can boil some water, put a piece in it, and then have it. You can put tulsi in it, right? You can have black pepper in it. So this way you can make a kada with all these herbs as well. And they also prove very effective for the overall health of a person, for well-being. And other than that, I would suggest to take lots of vitamin C in these days. So vitamin C, you need not to have a limb C that we usually have in market. You can have it in natural ways as well. You can have fruits which contain vitamin C, like you have oranges, amla, and lemon. You can take these fruits as well and fill your body with enough vitamin C. They are rich in antioxidants and they help the body to fight infection. They're immunity boosters. So these are a few tips. I hope they would help. And other than that, I would say the time is tough and we should all stay tough as well. So stay at home, stay active, do some exercise or follow some yoga. And this will help you fill yourself with some positive thoughts and energy. And this will help the time to pass as well. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And adding to the path of yoga, Karanveer, can you just suggest any 2 simple forms of yoga because right now in social media, there are a lot of videos with a couple of different forms of yoga and people get confused which to follow and what to follow. So I would request you, can you suggest any 2 simple formats that we all can do at home?
Yeah, well, I can suggest a few, but I won't say the technical names because I'm not sure at this time. Well, you can follow the breathing exercises. Nowadays, we can, because we know the pandemic going on and it is basically affecting the lungs. Whatever the symptoms start with, it affects your breathing at the end. So it would be great if you can do something to boost your breathing activity. So that if ever any bad chance comes in anyone's household or anyone has it, so they can just cope up with it with their strong breathing effectives. Like you can have Lom Vilom at home in the morning, and there is Kapal Bharti, you can have that. They enhance your breathing activity. So make sure to do it inside. Make sure you don't have any infected case near your surroundings, because in that case, the air would be affected as well. You have to make sure nowadays that you don't do it in surroundings, like in parks or something, because it is infected nowadays as well, as we know. Air is also not fine. So you have to make sure that you are in a good place. You don't go in surroundings where there are infected cases. Whatever you do, just do it at your place, do it at your home. And overall, I will surely, if I get a chance next time, I will introduce some other yoga activities because they help in immunity as well. Yoga is not just fitness, it is immunity. So I will surely introduce that next time. Thank you.
Definitely we'll be connecting back to you for the new inputs as well from your end. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for the team. It was really a pleasure knowing you all, how the task is going on, how you're smoothly managing each and everything, doing it from remote. I hope you guys are all safe and sound, and please be at home. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the time.